Now close this browser to stop debugging to this project. Let's implement the front end of this blockchain to better visualize this project. First of all, expand this one, add few CSS and JavaScript file. Right click, click add, and existing item. Click this one. Go to desktop and Udemy necessary files. These two folders need to be placed. Select this one and drag and drop here. This is the blockchain and static folder. Cross this one. This blockchain style sheet. This is blockchain.css file and other CSS file you can see, and static, this is CSS, and vendor data tables jQuery. All these two folder you will get in the course description of this lecture. Let's minimize this one. Controllers, click home controller. This is the index action method. Now initializing the cryptocurrency instance from the API. Blockchain controller, and this belongs to blockchain.api folder. This API folder. Here I will specify few code to see the transaction and blocks of the chain within this view. Right click and go to view. We are in this place, views, home and index, this one. Select all and backspace, delete everything. Now inserting HTML and jQuery code. Here the transaction, all transaction you can see, and here the all blocks, and here using jQuery data table, and these are the jQuery code. Let's run this project. Before running this project, we need to change the layout also. This is the outlook. Go to Visual Studio, click shared and click layout. Control A to select all, delete everything and paste this code. This is our layout code. Save everything, go to browser and refresh this page. Here this is our front end. Here empty transaction, this is mine button and initial blocks and one transaction you can see. Let's go to Visual Studio and implement other action method as well. So close this browser, close this one, going down, Let's insert a action method. When user will click this mine, this function will be executed. Let's create configure page. Delete this one. This view page configure, Control C, and this is belongs to this about. Configure, select everything, delete. Now inserting few code, HTML code. Here the list of node we will display to this page. Here meaning the miner's address. Go to home controller again. Now adding another action method, register node. This action method is responsible to add the new miner to the network. Let's add another action method, Coinbase, Control C. This page we need to create. Click this contact, double click and change the name Coinbase and select everything and delete everything. Now inserting few HTML code. We are done. Here we are displaying the all blocks in a blockchain using a beautiful view. Save everything and run this project. All this source code will be available with the lecture. You can download and simply copy paste the HTML and CSS code or the controller code. At the end of this application, I will explain. This is the first block you can see through this Coinbase. Open new link. Here you can see first block. And here you can see the configure. You can add another network like this. Anyway, no need to understand right now. Here if you click mine, empty transaction mined and miner gets reward. If you see the Coinbase, you can see, refresh this page, there is 2 blocks in a chain. This is the front end of the cryptocurrency.